How to change graphics in Horror Tale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize the graphic. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see settings. Simply tap on settings. So here, you'll be able to see a drop down of graphics. Simply tap on it. Now you can put it to the highest or to the maximum. So when you have the highest graphics, you'll be able to have the best gameplay of this game. So it is a horror game and there will be effects that are more realistic and it's more fun to play. Now if you go back, it is all set now and you can even see the changes after I have done in the graphics. So as you can see, it's more realistic and it's a better gameplay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.